Hi, this painting is called Colorful Movements. It's a still life and very expressive painting. I had a lot of fun doing it and love incorporating patterns into a lot of my work. So I had this wonderful blue and white bowl with a lot of geometric patterns and then some fabric with more curve lines and less, less geometry, but still interesting. So it was just a fun exploration into all of that color, line, pattern, the different textures that those things elicit in terms of a visual experience. There's visible brushwork in this piece. It's just it was a fun painting to create, and I just like the warm colors, the white of the picture, and just the variation in the objects and how they all came together in this sort of magical way. And this was painted on a gallery wrap canvas. As I've shown, the sides are painted, so it could be hung with a frame or without. And I hope you've enjoyed the clip. Thank you.